When we started Nomad Capital, it was never just about building structures. It was about redefining how people experience a country as extraordinary as Portugal. We weren't interested in following the market. Our ambition was always to lead it by creating assets that hold both emotional and financial value. Every project begins with a simple belief. The place should do more than exist. It should mean something. In the high-end real estate sector, the word luxury is used constantly, but true luxury is rare. It lives in the intersection of impeccable design, seamless service, a location that simply cannot be replicated, and of course, experience. At Nomad Capital, we don't just develop properties. We curate opportunities for people who expect more than just a home. They seek something deeper, a lifestyle investment. Portugal has a unique energy, a rare balance between heritage and a remarkably bright future. With Nomad Capital, the vision has always been to bridge those two worlds, to bring a global, sophisticated standard of living to some of the most extraordinary landscapes in Europe. Because every project we create carries a story, and that story always begins the same way, with a commitment to quality that is simply non-negotiable. As the CEO of Nomad Capital, the key pillars that the company is built on is, of course, the team of exceptional professionals that make up the company, our clients, and of course, finding outstanding locations and elevate them. Elevate them thanks to beautiful architecture and an amazing experience and a future community for each of those projects, which matter just as much as the investment itself. The Nomad Capital culture is about being bold and trying new things. It's about elevating Portugal's hospitality and residential market. And it's about always trying to outperform from what we've done previously and try to be better every day. The non-negotiable standard that every Nomad Capital project must have is an outstanding location, the potential for amazing experience, the ability to outperform the local competitors, and an outstanding community. Luxury or real estate is a term that is often overused, in my opinion. We try to put amazing finishings without really caring about the big picture, which is how are people going to enjoy and live in this space? What are the stories they are going to build? How are they going to think when they're getting home? What are the memories that they're going to build? In other words, what will be the experience? Today, in 2026, luxury is about experience, and I feel that that element is often overlooked. The inspiration with Nomad Bay came from my first visit ever to Portugal. And I arrived in Carvoeiro a bit randomly, and I fell in love with the city, the town center, and the beautiful fishing village and those amazing colorful buildings. And shortly after, an opportunity came up for the land on which Nomad Bay sits. And there was the potential to not only enjoy the historical nature of Carvoeiro, but also its nature, and build an architectural standpiece. And that's the inspiration. What makes Nomad Bay stand out in the market are, of course, the amazing area. We are in Carvoeiro, part of the Algarve that is still not too overbuilt. And also it's a ground-up development. We started the designs from scratch, from just a naked piece of land. And finally, Nomad Bay stands out because of its amazing view, the services, and the outstanding views from the apartments, which are oversized. The most ambitious elements about Nomad Bay are its architecture. The fact that the buildings are different from the ones in the area, the indoor-outdoor feeling, the floor-to-ceiling window, the white facades. It's a very large project of 69 apartments, but we've divided up into different lots throughout a large property, and that was not only ambitious, but it was completely new for the Algarve. Being a Nomad Bay property owner presents many benefits. Of course, you're in the Algarve. It has 300 days of sunshine per year, an amazing and mild winter, a great summer destination too, fantastic beaches, great food and beverage, great safety and education. But also, with Nomad Bay, you have the ability to have an amazing apartment which can be rented when you're not using it. It has an outstanding community from 15 different nationalities, outstanding experiences and services, and one of the best operators in Europe, amazing evolution. At Nomad Capital, we believe strongly in Portugal's bright future. Historically, over the last 10 years that we've been doing developments here, we've seen that Portugal has always been seen as a stable and safe hub for investors and residents from all walks of life and all around the world. And we think that trend is going to continue. Portugal presents amazing opportunities in real estate, but also in business. It's a country of opportunity that is very sensitive to innovation. And investing with Nomad Capital, it's investing in a company that believes in those values and believes in Portugal for the long term. Extending the Nomad Capital brand is one of our core focus. Besides Nomad Bay in the Algarve, we also have a sister project in Porto called Nomad Eden, which is the urban version of Nomad Bay. In order to ensure that Nomad Capital's projects are recognizable without a logo, it's not just about a great location, it has to be an architectural masterpiece. And in order to achieve that, you need an amazing relationship with your technical teams, your architects, your engineers. You need months, sometimes years of design before even starting building. A project like Nomad Bay, it meant a year of brainstorming and design with our architects. Sometimes late at night, we went through probably more than 50 versions of the floor plans, 20 versions of the architecture. But that's also one of the ways that our projects are special and recognizable. It is with great pride that we are seeing Nomad Bay come to life, and we can't wait for the delivery and for the Nomad Bay property owners to step in and create memories.
It's done. Great.
Yeah, nice. It's a lot of pressure, no?
Thank you guys so much.
Great.